Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with Bank of America easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding what credit is and why it's important. Establishing good credit helps you improve your financial opportunities. Begin with a checking account at Bank of America to set the foundation for your credit journey. Regularly deposit funds into your checking account to demonstrate financial stability. Next, consider applying for a secured credit card offered by Bank of America. A secured card requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. Use the secured credit card responsibly by making small purchases. Pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest and build credit history. Monitor your credit utilization ratio, keeping it below 30% of your limit. After consistently using your secured card responsibly, consider upgrading to an unsecured credit card. This transition can happen after 6 to 12 months of positive payment history. Request your credit report annually to check for errors and monitor your progress. By making on-time payments, your credit score will gradually improve. Consider adding an authorized user to your credit card to help them build credit as well. Diversifying your credit mix can also enhance your credit score. Keep old credit accounts open to maintain a longer credit history. Remember, patience is key when building credit. It takes time to establish a solid score. Stay proactive and regularly check your credit score through Bank of America's online tools. Continue educating yourself about credit management as you progress on your credit building journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.